Test for starch, protein and fats.
Subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get latest updates from learnfatafat.com.
We all need food for energy, growth and maintenance. We obtain food from plants and animals. Food must contain required quantity of carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, minerals, dietary fibers and water. The food which have all these nutrients in required quantity is called balanced diet. In this video, we will understand how we can check if our food contains starch, which is a carbohydrate, proteins and fats.
Watch ad-free and complete syllabus on Learn Fatafat Android app. Download the app now.
Let's first understand test for starch. First, we need to prepare a dilute solution of iodine. To prepare this solution, we will take a test tube and fill half of its part with water. Now, we put few drops of tincture iodine in it and mix it well. The dilute solution of iodine is ready for the test. To carry out the test, we will take small quantity of food item in a glass bowl. With the help of dropper, we will put 2 to 3 drops of dilute iodine solution to it. If the color of the food turns blue-black, then it means that food contains starch. However, if blue-black color is not observed, then it means that food does not contain starch. You will find that the food such as sweet potato, papaya, mango, food grains like wheat, rice, corn contain starch. Now we will understand test for protein. To test if the food contains proteins or not, we need to prepare a solution of copper sulfate. For that, we will mix about 2 gram of copper sulfate powder in 100 milliliter of water. We need to stir the solution well so as to have proper mixing of the powder.
Watch ad-free and complete syllabus on Learn Fatafat Android app. Download the app now.
In similar way, we also prepare a solution of 10 gram of caustic soda in 100 milliliter of water. To carry out the test, we need the food in the form of paste. If the food item is solid, we will grind it to make its powder and then we mix it with small quantity of water. Once we get the paste of the food, we will take a sample from it into a test tube. We then add a drop of copper sulfate solution and about few drops of solution of caustic soda into the test tube. Check if there is change in color. If not, add one more drop of copper sulfate solution and few drops of caustic soda solution. If you observe violet color of the mixture, then it means that proteins are present in the food. Normally, proteins are present in food such as milk, cheese, wheat, salmon, egg, meat, fish, etc. Now we will understand test for fats. If we put a drop of oil on a paper, then it becomes partially transparent. For partially transparent objects, we use the word translucent. We will use this fact to test if the food contains fats or not. Take food sample on a filter paper. Fold the paper and crush food sample present in it. You may see a stain on the paper. Let the paper dry for some time so that if the food sample contains water, then it gets evaporated. Now observe the stain. If the stain is translucent, then it means that food contain fats.
Watch ad-free and complete syllabus on Learn Fatafat Android app. Download the app now.
If not, then the food does not contain fats. Normally, you will see that foods such as groundnut, cheese, butter, chocolates, coconut, sunflower seeds and almond, they contains fats in it. So I hope you got good knowledge of the topic. Thanks for watching this video. Visit learnfatafat.com for more such interesting videos. You can now download Learn Fatafat Android app. For better learning, you can also buy your favorite course in the form of DVD, pen drive, SD card or tablet phone.
Like, share and subscribe learnfatafat.com and press the bell icon to never miss an updates from learnfatafat.com.